Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with SoFi for automated investing, full guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the SoFi website on your computer or mobile device. If you're new to SoFi, click on the Get Started button. If you already have an account, select the Login option. Follow the prompts to enter your email and password to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Invest tab located in the main menu. Click on Automated Investing to learn more about this feature. On the Automated Investing page, review the benefits and features provided. Click on the Get Started button to begin the subscription process. You will be presented with a questionnaire to understand your financial goals. Complete the questionnaire by answering questions about your risk tolerance and investment preferences. After submitting the questionnaire, SoFi will recommend an investment portfolio tailored to your needs. Review the recommended portfolio carefully, noting the investment types and allocations. If you agree with the recommendations, click on the Continue button. Next, you will need to link a bank account for funding your investments. Provide the necessary bank account details, including your account number and routing number. Once your bank account is linked, decide on the amount you want to invest initially. You can choose to set up automatic contributions on a regular basis, such as weekly or monthly. Review all the details regarding your investment, including fees and expected returns. If everything looks good, click on the Confirm Investment button to finalize your subscription. You will receive a confirmation email once your subscription is active. Congratulations, your automated investing account with SoFi is now set up and ready to go. You can monitor and adjust your investments anytime through the SoFi app or website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.